Good afternoon, guys.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
As you know that it is Monday today, especially for personal speech, and my topic is that our mind. When our mind think, as our body react. So how it possible? As we are thinking about that, it is not possible, but it is possible. As after some time later, if we are talking about the USA, they took practical on this topic that it is really happened. So they are two patient, and first they both are suffering for one disease, but after that they give medicine to one patient, but for second person they gave sugar pills. They give continuously approx 15 days. After 15 days they check up they both patient. After that they find the result. They were shocked because the result was same, both patient, as they gave the medicine for first person and they gave the sugar pills of second person, but the result was same. As they considered it about their scientists, so how is possible? After that they also practical on that topic, that is really first. That time they start a threat, and they also practical on that is it really. And then he started it to take in one pigeon, and after that they gave some treatment. It is really. So they also find, as the mind is processed, our body also worked it. As we think about that we always think that it is not possible, we are study but we forget. It is a mentality problem, because we think about that, after some time we forget it. If we didn't think about that, yes, we didn't forget it, that time our body also reacted. We also feel sometime it happened, we feel very tiredness, and some people said that yes, I want to sleep, but after that they said that yes, I have to take rest because I feel sleepy. Because of mentality, our mentality is developed that as we think first time I want to sleep, our body also react like that. It is a psychology effect, and also scientific process. It happened in our body because our blood circulation is also increase and decrease while our thinking. If we think positive, that time our blood circulation is normal, but when we think negative, then that time our blood circulation is increase and decrease. It is depend on mentality, what type of thinking we think. If we think positive, that time our body also react positive. Sometimes it happened that we said that yes, I am a very thin and I want to get fat. It is not possible because I thought that I am thin. Because of this mentality, I can't fatty. So it depends on mentality, because we all know it's a subconscious mind and conscious mind, and they both work different work. It is the related our body, and it is not part of it is the main part of our body. We said that heart is the part of our body, but no, it is the main part of body. As we think, we react. So firstly we consider our body that sometime it happened that we think negative thinking mostly, and it is human nature we think, because more negative charges is more than positive charges, and both thinking we have to need. If we have a positive thing, so its base is negative. If we have negative, so its base is positive. So we can't think that if we think always positive, that time it can't be possible. We can't. And if we think, that time we feel that we have no feelings. If we think always negative, that time we also feel negative, that we have no feelings. Because of mentality, it depends whole circle of our body. We control our body by our mind, but it is not possible that we can control our mind by our body. So firstly, we should consider it that how can we control our mind? What is that thing which is what I do and I can control my thing? Firstly, is as we know about that meditation. It's not a easy, but it's not a very tough. We can do meditations. Second is some exercise. Exercise is not a very tough thing, but it's a low thing. We can do easily in a early morning, in evening time. So we can also do. We do exercise and meditation. That time we can control our body. Man thing is meditations. Because it is controlled all things in our body. That time we can listen every voice in the earth. What is going on in our surrounding? What is happening? We can also listen our heartbeat by meditations. So thank you. Have a nice day.